Hello welcome. This is a quick video just about our f12 globetrotter cab to fit on a Tamiya 116 chassis. I'm just going to do a quick assembly video. It's not a great long video. There's no initial gluing to do until you've painted it and one thing or another. It literally screws together. So this is the cab we've done. Same as my other cabs, we've made it with a removable top roof that will just clip off. And then if you look inside, this is the prototype one we've done. These seats are just stuck in with sticky tabs at the minute, and dash, f12 dash thing. It's got gear stick and gear stick, steering wheel, column, little tiny handbrake which I pinched out of one of the others there that just goes down there. Couple of steps, rear cab mount, front cab mounts, air filters, and then you just look on this chassis here, it mounts on a mount that fits it onto the Tamiya chassis, and then the rear arch is separate, which screw in what should be existing holes. So I've just used one screw and made it where you can adjust it to the gap you want. So I'm just going to do a quick assembly showing how it goes together. These are printed out of PLA Plus. That one was printed out of a different material. The finish is good, but it's, I think this stuff prints a lot better, a lot less work, a lot less sanding, and same thing as we do with other cabs, just fill a primer and sand it down. You have a bit of cleaning up to do, just like anything, but most of it's been done. Just cleaning up with a file and some 250 sandpaper just to scuff any little bits off. So anyway, first thing we're going to do is, under here you'll see there's 4 holes there, there's 2 holes there what we don't actually use, but you can put a screw in there, epoxy it and glue it in, and then in the base there's 2 locators, so if you wanted your cab to lift off you could use that if you wanted to. The 2, I think the 5mm holes, but personally I'm not going to use them, I'm just going to screw it together. So the first job is find the base, get the right way, come up from the bottom, get up from the bottom, it's a little bit tiny, get it into place, let it go down, and then, oh, that's it, and then just tease your sides out and it will click in. And just get your fingers through till it just clicks home. It's a nice snug fit. And the one we've got 2. I've drilled these holes out to 3.3mm, 3.2mm before you start. So, but they are a bit less than that. So you could use a Tamiya self tappers if you wanted. I'm just going to pop 2. So I'm using 16mm here. I'll take my base, this is where it fastens onto your chassis. Underneath again it's adjustable backwards and forwards, and then I'm just going to shove them screws through. Got one in, yeah they're going first time, otherwise you've got to route about, but we'll get one side in first, and then what I'm going to do, I've got some these little nuts here with flange nuts. So hold that, pop a nut under that one first, line this up, push another screw through, it either goes straight away or go. There we go. Nut on there, I'm not going to make a big deal of tightening these up because it'll come down. And we just nip them up. I'm just going to nip them. I'm not going to over tighten anything just yet. You could use lock nuts. I just use these because what you do, you can assemble it all and then paint it up, and then when you've painted it, you could glue it. But like I said, you do have another mounting option there where you could leave this fastened to your chassis and then have your cab lift on and off. But to be honest with you, just once your motor's in and wired up, there's not really a lot. The next thing to do is pop the bulk in. You don't have to do that now, you can do it later and put your dash in. And then on the roof, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get a bit shorter screws. A couple of 10 mils. I'm just going to pop one. These, not the bottom ones. A couple of 10 mils there. Found a screwdriver would be doing very good. Basically that goes on there and there. The screwdriver. Had to tidy up this morning, so now we can't find anything as usual. And just screw that through there. Like I said, I screwed the roof once to 3mm, but I haven't screwed the ones underneath, so they are actually self-threading them. So I just use a couple of 10s. 10s will actually get a nut underneath, or 8mm. I'm just going to put one in there for now. Same thing. This has to be the easiest assembly cab I have ever made. So there are 4. You want them, I'm just going to put 2 in now just to speed them up. And then your dash. Sit in the windows. Just address windows because it's the biggest question we get asked. You use a piece of film and you glue it on the inside of here. Just cut it out there, just glue it to the bottom and the top, and then just trim it. And it's a bit of a faff, but with it. Then the side windows, you would just glue a piece over the top of that there. It doesn't matter if you go past or what, just glue it onto the when it's painted. I only ever put windows in after it's painted. And then dash. Put the seats in. And when you put the dash in, obviously you've got your steering wheel, which just sits under there. We'll glue in actually. You glue your steering wheel in. And your gear stick is at the side there. It is done as right-hand drive. We'll just pop that on there for a minute. And the roof, you just got 4 locators. One of them is a bit fatter than the others. And you just literally get one side in first. Like that. Push it down. Then just click. And that's it. So your dash should obviously be fastened in. I'm obviously not going to fasten in because it's obviously not painted. So when you come to do your final assembly and you've painted in, you've got your cab all done as you want it, and you've got your window in, you'll put your dash in and shove it up to the window there, and it'll stick down onto the top of the centre thing. And then if we come then, I'm not making this wagon 1 metre long. It is just I've not decided what I'm doing with it yet, so I haven't cut it down. And then that will sit under there. So I need just 2 screws, one in there, self tappers, 10mm self tappers, 3mm self tappers. You can put them in and then you can adjust it to what you want and adjust your things up. And that is basically it. So that's as quick as it is, really. Obviously you're going to have a bit more work, because when we come to paint and put the cab on, and then when you want the roof off, you just get things under one side, pop it off, look at the other side, pop it out, and you've got full access to your cab. I always put my batteries in the cab, especially small LiPo batteries, put them under the bunk, put a sleeping bag over the top. So I'm just going to take camera, and we'll just go through what we have. The earth thing, the air filter sits on the back. Again, you'll probably put it on when you've painted it. That'll get located there. And we have, there's mirrors, some light lenses, obviously gear stick, little handbrake, again little mirrors. The mirrors, I think I'm going to drill them out to about 2mm or 1mm if I can find it, welding rod bar, and then bend the mirror arms up. Rear cab mount, I'll just hand you back to my missus. The rear cab mount literally will sit on your chassis, and it literally just sits in the back. Back there like that. For whatever reason it's not going, I don't know. Sits in there you go. And then obviously when your cab goes on, and it will sit like that and adjust your thing up. So the side comes thing, and then we have airfoil here for the front, which will just sit on there. I'm tempted just to round the corners off a bit, and just cut the corners here and just round them off. Some people fit them, when you look on the internet at these wagons, I think you see a few with them on, but you see as many way out. So that's it. Kit will be available on our website. Have a look at it, www.piggytaylor.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.